Right, so the soil test kit comes complete with pH, nitrogen, phosphates and potassium testing, and it comes complete with this soil auger here, which enables us to get down and take a good sample 4 inches long of the soil itself. And I've been taking these from our glass houses. I've looked at 2 of the sections here, and I scraped off the top couple of inches of earth and taken the sample from below there. It wants to be fairly deep because we're looking to produce stuff for the for growing vegetables and fruit. So fundamentally that's about the amount that I've taken, and I just put it in this little sort of box to keep it for now. This is the plunger that we use for the nitrogen, phosphate and potassium tests. As you can see, it's quite a fun little piece of kit. Essentially it comes with a sort of internal plunger. Which basically has a piece of filter paper inside it. You put the earth in here, you put the solution in there, and then you push the plunger in to extract the solution, which you then test. You put the filter paper in the end of the plunger just here, and then just tamp it in with the spoon so that the thing's all ready to go. What you do is you put ½ ml of the soil and then add 2 ml of the potassium K1 reagent and shake it for about 30 seconds. Just do it like that. Then you just push the plunger down like this until it just actually touches the liquid, and then you basically pick up the cap and screw that on like so, and then that enables you, that gives you the control to drive the plunger down slowly until it gets right to the bottom. So what that's actually doing is actually sort of forcing the liquid through the filter paper, which takes out a lot of the earth, so that you've then got a solution you can work with. So you just carry on screwing it down until the cap stops, because then you're down to the earth, which is how we are here. Then you simply tip the liquid out of the plunger into the test tube, and then you can see you've got it ready for doing the test. Right, so we've got the solution here, and now we basically put in the other solution. We've got 1 ml in the test tube. Now we're going to put in another ½ ml here. That's pretty much about right. Then we give that a shake and let it stand. Give that a shake and let it stand for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we can look at the pH test, which we've got here. I don't know if you can see, but that's coloured, it's quite clear there. It's a sort of green colour, which suggests to me that the pH of this solution is about 7. With the nitrate test, you basically extract the ml of solution, put in 1 spoon of the nitrate to reactant, which is just a level spoon, shake it for about 10 seconds and then sit down for 5 minutes to let it settle and then read the colour. You have to be quite careful with reading the instructions because the potassium and phosphate tests require about half a mil of soil, whereas the nitrate one uses a full mil, and you have to get the proportions right, otherwise the answers you get will be wrong.